Hello members of Tambol Maths class, I would like to give you an assignment. I want you to solve this particular equation. This is an exponential equation, x minus 1 raised to the power of x minus 1 equal to 6x plus 3. I want you to solve this problem algebraically, but for me, I'm going to solve it through a kind of manipulation. What do we mean by manipulation? You introduce something that will make sense. Because I have x minus 1 here, I would like to think of getting an x minus 1 to the right hand side. So let me keep the left hand side as it is, x minus 1 raised to the power of x minus 1. Can you see the base and the exponents are exactly the same? So if I want to get x minus 1 here, I would like to introduce minus 6. Can you see that? If I should introduce minus 6 here, then I have to add plus 6. This is the manipulation I'm talking about. Can you see that minus 6 plus 6 is 0, so it's like I have not added anything. So to the left hand side, we still have x minus 1 to the power of x minus 1. But to the right hand side, let me combine this first two by factoring 6 out. Inside, I have x left minus 1. Yeah, if you expand 6 times x, you get 6x. 6 times negative 1, you get minus 6, right? And this is equal to 9. Next, I would like to bring this one to the left-hand side. We have x minus 1 to the power of x minus 1 minus 6 times x minus 1 equals only 9. But I would like to change this 9 entirely so that it becomes a mirror image of what we have to the left hand side. Can you see to the left hand side we have something raised to the power of the same thing minus 6 times that something. So I know that 9 can be expressed as what? 27 minus 18. And this 27 is the same thing as 3 to the power of 3 because I want to get something raised to the power of the same thing. So this is what 3 raised to the power of 3. The base and the exponents are the same. The base and the exponents are the same. Minus 6 times 3. Minus 6 times 3. Just look at it. Let me rewrite this one. X minus 1 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to that. Oh, minus 6 times x minus 1. Can you see that? Something to the power of the same thing minus 6 times that same thing. Something to the power of the same thing minus 6 times that something. It means that that something must be 3. This x minus 1 must be equal to 3 and x must be equal to 4 because 4 minus 1 is 3. So therefore x is equal to 4. You see, mathematics has a lot of logic. So I want you to solve the same problem algebraically. But before we move on, I would like to test it to the main equation. If x is 4, we have 4 minus 1 is 3. This is 4 minus 1 is also 3. So this is 3 to the power of 3. The left-hand side is 27 because 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So let's go to the other side. 4 times 6, because this is 4, remember. 6 times 4 is 24. And 24 plus 3 is 27. So 27 equals 27, which implies that x is indeed equal to 4. Try to solve the same problem algebraically if possible.